One of the things that we think is important is that the person that handles your automobile accident case has some idea about the area. We don't just mean the area where you live, but the area where the accident happens, and sometimes the area where you live too. I mean, we live in western Colorado, which is very different from where most of the insurance companies, adjusters are located at. They don't really understand some of the unique problems we have here, particularly in the outlying communities we have, like Hotchkiss and Leonia, places like that, even up in Pea Green and Crawford. So you have to understand those particular issues. It also helps know what county they're in. Each county has slightly different things about, like dogs at large and all these kinds of things that affect driving and the roads. So it's important for somebody like ourselves that have been here, all our lives pretty much, that know these areas and know their particular problems. It not only helps us help you, it helps us to explain to the insurance companies why certain conditions arose that caused the accident, or why it's harder to find treatment options or locate treatment providers like physical therapists or physicians or orthopedic surgeons in particular. So it helps for us to know the area, know where the accident happened, and know what kind of access you have to these things. There's no substitute for being here for a really long time. When it comes to knowing the roads, one of the things that's always helped me was the time I spent in law enforcement. Particularly as a sheriff's officer, you have to know the roads in terms of where things are, where the actual county lines are at, where the small towns are located, what's the best way to get places and things like that. So over time you absorb that just in terms of having to run around or look at maps or talk to people about things that have happened to them out there. I think that I have gained some unique knowledge that way. It helps me understand your case a little bit better. It helps me understand what's going on. It helps me see to the heart of the matter a little differently than probably a lot of other people do. We're all different. Hopefully we can match your case with our skills.